Windmill, windmill for the land, love forever hand in hand. Take it all, live on your stride. It is kicking, floating down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me.
Alright, so lately I have to walk from school all the way back to my damn house, which where I live over there in Roscoe and DeSoto. So I have a friend named Tweaker, and lately he's been having a problem. He's been eating the Pookie too much. So one day I come across him and I told him, "Hey Tweaker, what you doing?" "Not much, man. I just gotta keep hitting that Pookie. I got a rock in my pocket." "No, that's not good, man. You gotta stop hitting that Pookie." So here comes my friend Robert along, and I ask him, "Hey Robert, come kick it." "What's up?" And then I'm like, "Robert, what? Are you still working at Panda Express?" Why, yes, I am." "How are things going at your work?" "My boss is driving me berserk." "Then just quit." "I can't. I gotta pay my damn annual fee pass to Universal Studios."